Hope everybody is enjoying the video. I am super busy with the show. I apologize if I don't get a lot of content. I'm just over here running around. I'm just trying to get some footage for you guys, see what it's all about, what we do over here in Northern California. We had a great turnout. We have about 162 cars, which is awesome. Enjoy the video.
Pesto, yeah, yeah, yeah. Pesto, yeah, yeah, yeah. No, it ain't coming. Got this coming on me out. Now you running. Always wanted this shit since I was 4 years old. And now 4 offers later, he make us the one that I chose. She get a box like I'm Roddy, and I'm the shit like the party. I'm so legit like attorney. A tournament, torches burning. I'm building like synagogue. All the way up and I need a Remy Ma. I hit it, then charge about the hour. I don't need the money or the fame, I want the power. Pesto, yeah, yeah, yeah. Pesto, yeah, yeah, yeah. No, it ain't coming. Got this coming on me out. Now you running.
Mama always told me, fuck your friends and get your money. And that's when she told me, don't you stop till you get that rolling.
You ain't working hard as me, yeah. No, you ain't. 8 songs in a week, this so hyper randomly.
Building, I'm better like synagogue. All the way up, where's my Remy Ma? I hit it and charge her by the hour. I don't want the money or the fame, I want the power.
Pesto, yeah, yeah, yeah. Pesto, yeah, yeah, yeah. No, it ain't coming. Got this coming on me out. Now you running. pesto, yeah, yeah, yeah. Pesto, pesto, yeah, yeah, yeah. No, it ain't coming. Got this coming on me, ah. Now you running.
Alright guys, I hope you watched the video and enjoyed it. If you like the content on the channel, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I just wanted to say thank you to everybody that came out to the show. We work really hard to have this available for everybody, and we raise money to help a local student further their education in the automotive field. And with that being said, I thank you. And just remember guys, dreams are only fantasy if you're not willing to put in the work. Catch you on the next one.